Jai Hind and welcome back to your favorite real estate channel, Realtors Next Door. In a gated block adjacent to a park, we bring you a 4-bedroom, 5-washroom wonder built by one of the finest builders in Gurgaon on a 435 square yard plot. This one is located in Sushant Lok 1, close to the hospitals, markets, metros, schools, and the prestigious DLF Camellias. This is an offshoot from the Golf Course Road, which you can't go wrong with. Now, let me start explaining you how this building has been built. 4 individual gates makes 4 parking bays for all the 4 floors. A pedestrian gate for your guests to enter peacefully and not be colluded. A guard room so that you can have a 24/7 guard who gives you surveillance, security and service. You walk into the stilt and you see the stilt is adorned with laminam tiles and planters. There is a water body right in the center of the stilt. This one is a 10 on 10 stilt and trust my words when I say, जब एक बिल्डर स्टिल्ट पे पैसे लगाता है तो घर तो वो बढ़िया बनाता ही है। आर स्क्वायर होम्स के पास इतनी इन्वेंट्री रही है सालों में कि हम आपको दिखा नहीं पाए हैं, लेकिन आप में से बहुत लोगों ने देखी ज़रूर होगी। तो बने रहिएगा हमारे साथ इस वीडियो पे, बिकॉज दिस हाउस इज वेयर आर्किटेक्चरल ब्रिलियंस मीट्स लोकेशन सुप्रीमेसी। I know after that introduction you are dying to see what the builder has in store for you. So in our standard style, let's begin the house tour from the door of the house. South facing is your door's exit, west facing in this the plot. In the front of the house, first you get this lavish drawing and dining area. Then you move into bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, which are in the front of the house. Then around the gate, you have this dining area, which is very pronounced. This can also be made into a family lounge as per your requirement. Walking through this alley, first you come into your powder washroom. Then you have this small little cozy space which can be a TV viewing zone, a library zone and so on and so forth. Attached to it is your mandir. Then you have 2 bedrooms, bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. And then there is this lovely L-shaped kitchen which has a wet and dry area both to make sure that you cook well and clean even better. सो बिल्डर फ्लोर लेते हुए 3 चीज़ों का ध्यान रखने के लिए मैंने आपको हमेशा बोला है। सबसे पहला लोकेशन, नंबर 2 स्पेसिफिकेशंस, नंबर 3 बिल्डर का भरोसा, आर स्क्वायर होम्स। गाइज, ओवर द इयर्स दे हैव बीन मेकिंग गुड होम्स। आई थिंक कपिल जी अगर ज़्यादा नहीं तो 30 से 35 घर हर साल डिलीवर कर रहे हैं पिछले 3 से 4 सालों में, अगर मैं पोस्ट कोविड एरा की बात करूं। And in prime locations. If I talk about this location, you are 5 minutes away from the DLF Camellias, though that doesn't matter, but you are close to a primary hospital of Gurgaon called the Paras Hospital. Markets like Vyapar Kendra and Galleria are very close by. You are close to the metro stations. You have a school in the vicinity. When I talk about the specifications, as you can see in the living area, there's use of book match marble. There is all centrally air conditioned. The air conditioning is by Daikin, hot and cold in the public areas. There is some paneling on the false ceiling. There is stone inlay. This one's a stone inlay. And then you have paneling done, which is similar and mirroring the false ceilings paneling. This living dining area is designed in a way where you can divide this into 2 sections. So from where this pillar starts, and I'd segregate the spaces for you, this is about 22 feet by 14 feet. So this 22 by 14 area can become your formal drawing room. 22 feet by 14 feet means that you can seat 20 people easily, have good sofa setups, have lovely ivory top tables, have some lamps and artifacts. Also, this living area of yours opens up into the balcony if you have any smoker friends. There is a 4 to 5 feet balcony. You can enjoy the rains out here. And I would like to take your attention towards that park that's right adjacent to this floor. So there is a park. This is not a park facing home, but a park is about 4 plots away. So for all of you who feel that you need spaces to walk around and move, this house has got it all. Look at the depth this drawing and dining area has to offer. I have told you about the first section. Now let me tell you about the second section of the house. The second section of this living area is the dining area. If I would take this house, I would make it this way. This is about 15 feet. And if I measure the distance from this wall, you get around 18 feet. So 15 by 18 is this space. a bar here, a cutlery crockery chest here, and a 10-seater dining table which can come vertically and horizontally both in this area. For some of you who don't want their dining areas to be visible from the door, आप चाहते हैं थोड़ी खाना खाते समय आपके पास privacy हो, तो जनाब यहाँ पे आजकल rotating panels वाले partitions आ रहे हैं. Get that partition put, आपका drawing भी ढक जाएगा और ये area आपका foyer बन जाएगा. So this wall, the one with these peacocks and these floral paintings becomes, you know, your entry point. So you can place a small table here. Winters आ रही हैं, coat hanger लगाएं, अपनी coats, jackets यहाँ पे टांग दें, अपनी घड़ियाँ तो नहीं, पर अपनी गाड़ी की चाबी or whatever you want to place on the table, place it here. Now what I like about R Square Homes and their construction is that it is just not about sales. Their after sales is great, and as they keep making homes year after year, they have an in-house team that caters to all your needs. Now, when you have a house like this, you need to have a pronounced powder washroom for your guests, and this is your powder washroom, Italian marble and paneling. Along with your powder washroom, you have this cozy little space where you can Netflix and chill and watch India play their upcoming matches against Australia. This might be the last series that Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli are playing, but चिंता मत करो, शर्मा जा रहा है तो शर्मा आ रहा है. अब कोहली की रिप्लेसमेंट देखते हैं कैसे आएगी. फैमिली लाउंज बनाना है, एल शेप में यहाँ सोफाज लगाओ, सामने टीवी लगाओ, 14 फुट का डिस्टेंस है, 60 से 65 इंच का टीवी आराम से लग सकता है. To pray and to get your spiritual sanctity, this mandir has been designed with the Mahamrityunjay mantra written on top with a nice Om wallpaper here. Looks beautiful, looks serene. You have around 6.5 feet of space here. So you can have an elaborate mandir setup. If you have some spiritual books, you can keep them on one side. You can have your diyas and everything placed here as per your religious needs. Now, this is connected to the kitchen. So for some of you who want a tucked in dining table, supposedly you are someone who has a small family and you want your dining table to be hidden. यहाँ डाइनिंग टेबल बना लो, बाकी वहाँ सारे में फैमिली लाउंज, लिविंग और पार्टी करो. Now this one is attached to the kitchen, and the kitchen is something that I really like. In the working area, you have 12 feet by 8 feet of space. So cupboards के आगे 8 फुट by 12 फुट की जगह है. ये आपका working kitchen हो गया. You have spaces for a fridge, hob chimney, microwave, oven by Faber have been provided. You have a completely modular kitchen. What you see here is what you get. Now you must be thinking, यार तो kitchen की तारीफ कर रहा था, लेकिन ये क्या? Now you walk in. You walk in, you first see your double sink setup here, one for your vegetables, one for your utensils. Then you come into this area, and this is where all you ladies and everyone who manages the house will know that how important this section is. Connected to the balcony, we have a space for a washing machine and a dishwasher and a dryer. Boom. This one connects to the balcony. देखिए वेट पॉइंट ही वेट पॉइंट दे रखे हैं, यहाँ वेट पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, वहाँ पे वेट पॉइंट्स दे रखे हैं. सो दिस इज डिजाइन्ड इन अ वे, ये आपका सिक्योरिटी जाल है, यहाँ पे आप अपने कपड़े सुखाइए. ऑल योर यूटिलिटीज कैन बी मैनेज्ड विदाउट अ वरी. अच्छा जी, चैनल पे अभी तक बने हुए हो तो नॉन स्टॉप आपके लिए बड़बड़ा रहा हूँ. एक लाइक तो बनता है वीडियो पे, लाइक कर दीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. हर उस होम बायर के साथ, हर उस ब्रोकर के साथ शेयर करिए, हर उस बिल्डर के साथ शेयर करिए जो रियल एस्टेट के बिजनेस में. 4 bedrooms. Let's start from the one in the back of the house. Wow. मतलब यार, isn't this what we live for? Nature getting married to good architecture. This is what everyone in real estate dreams of. भीनी भीनी धूप आ रही हो सर्दियों के दिनों, और क्या चाहिए आपको, रूम साइजेस अच्छे हों. So you have 16 feet by 12 feet of space here. The beds come this side. That's where the TV is going to be. There's going to be a SS Jal that's going to come up, which is going to act as an additional balcony space for you. After you put your beds and your table, you have this empty space which leads to the balcony. So you can put a settee here. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, अच्छी धूप आ रही है, यहाँ बैठ के सर्दियों के दिनों में किताब पढ़िए, अच्छा फील होगा. Some of you want additional cupboards always. This space can take additional cupboards, can take a settee, can take a throw, can take a sofa. Split air conditioners in the room. I am a big fan of split ACs in the rooms. Keeps your bill lesser. Maintenance is easier. VRV in the public areas, split in the bedrooms is the way to go. Now, walk into the cupboards. Walk into the washroom. I love what I see in the washroom. Firstly, it's all Italian marble. The sanitary ware is by Kohler. There's a lovely shower area which has space to take in all your conditioner, shampoos, face washes. There's a space to sit if you want to have a chilled shower after a long day at work. The finishes are Avant grade, and then you have this lovely cupboard space along with a vanity here. So cupboard and vanity both exist together so that you can place your perfumes, your watches, whatever on this top. वैसे तो आपकी मेम साहब का मेकअप रहने वाला है यहाँ, तो perfumes, watches के बारे में मत सोचिए. But cupboards and there's a vanity. So there's ample amount of spacing for all your stuff. As they're old builders, right, they always leave additional spaces where you can add in cupboards, because these days we guys are hoarders. We just want to keep getting stuff in, right? 13 feet by 20 feet. 13 feet by 20 feet, that's a lovely size for a room. On your headboard, you have POP paneling. This is where the bed comes. That's the TV's board. Along with that, they have given a small shelf for artifacts. There's enough space on both the sides for you to have additional cupboards, have setting, have additional seating, have a study table, have a workstation. So whatever you want to do can be done here. Like the last room, here, before you enter your washroom, you have a small vanity counter and cupboards. Then you step inside the washroom and you see that this one has even a larger shower area. Boss, a good shower in a house like this will never make you miss a 5-star hotel's experience. Some people often say that, travel in luxury so that you can have an aspirational lifestyle. This one here, in the heart of Gurgaon, is an aspirational lifestyle that we are going to give you as a house. Front of the house, first, this mural looks beautiful, elegant and neat. After that, you enter into bedroom number 3. As you enter into bedroom number 3, on the vestibule, you will see cupboards. This one can be the guest room or the kids' room. You have a small vanity counter as you enter, and then you have shelves to keep your stuff. This one is the smallest room of the house. The functional sizes are 13 feet by 15 feet. Yeah, 13 by 15. This is where the TV is going to come. That's where the bed is going to be. Why am I asking you to make this a guest room or the kids' room? Is because this one's a little cramped for space. 3 very big bedrooms, 1 small bedroom. That's how it goes. The plot size is 435 square yards, by the way, which I told you right in the beginning. But just to remind you, for people who join us in between the video, have a look at the washroom and then meet me in the 4th room, which is a thing of beauty. So, Sushant Lok 1, no introduction needed to the location. This one is very close to all the utilities, like I've told you. Now step inside your final bedroom. This one is a 23 feet by 13 feet room. The headboard has a stone inlay. यहाँ लगेगा बेड, सामने आएगा टीवी. 23 फीट का साइज है, मतलब यहाँ पे आप बेड के बाद, टेबल के बाद, स्टडी टेबल, सोफा, सेटी, कबर्ड्स तीनों लगा सकते हो. सो दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ स्पेस. एक साइड आपने देख ली है, यहाँ देखो. इस एरिया में एडिशनल कबर्ड्स बनानी हो, बन जाएंगी. टेबल लगाना हो, लग जाएगा. यहाँ आपका एसी आएगा. यहाँ तक अगर आपको फिर छोटी एक कबर्ड बनानी हो, टेबल लगाना हो, कुछ करना हो जाएगा. There is no dearth of space in this room. Then you have this lovely walk-in wardrobe. मतलब यहाँ पे finally आप husband wife दोनों अपने कपड़े एक जगह रख के आराम से तैयार हो सकते हैं. Step into the washroom. PU finished chevron patterned drawers. संगे मरमर का ये एहसास जो है, when you see white marble, reminds you of the stone Michelangelo, though this one's not Michelangelo, but lovely construction. R Square Homes is known for building good houses in and around the city. They have a proven track record that they deliver good homes. This one's built on a 435 square yard plot. It's a 4-bedroom, 5-washroom wonder. In this we have the ground floor unit with a party hall, 2 middle floors and a top floor terrace available. The asking prices start at around 6 CR. This is Delhi NCR's favorite realtor, Chetan Kaushal, saying Jai Hind and bye-bye for today.